Well, Greg and Darla bought a house, and it's a new house. It's never been occupied. But the laundry room, which is right here, which we've torn up, really wasn't real functional. All of the entrance was from the garage, which is where all this insulation is now. You can kind of see where the floor kind of came in. I'm sorry, I'm turning around. The entrance was right here. That's how you entered originally. And this part down here was all in the garage. It was a wall that stuck right into the middle of the laundry room. So what we did was remove it and really captured a whole lot of valuable space to contribute to the laundry room and make it more usable. Before, this little area right here was just kind of some cabinets squeezed into that corner that were pretty useless. And the same thing on this side, because the washer and dryer goes along this wall, and then there's a cabinet back in that corner. So it was kind of not very usable and too small. So what we've done is we've removed a wall that was between the mud room, which is where I'm standing, where this window is, and the laundry room. So we put in a new header, and we're going to put in a double pocket door in this opening. When it's all finished, we'll end up with a 4-foot wide opening when both pocket doors are open, or in the wall, I should say. So you can see right now we've got some wires hanging down that we're going to relocate the switches. We're going to, we've already, in this ceiling in the bathroom, in the laundry room, we had to actually drop the ceiling down because we had these wires that were below the trusses up in the ceiling, and we didn't want to try and move them up because it would just be cost prohibitive. So we decided, since this was an 11-foot ceiling, we'd just drop it down a 2x6 and get those up in there. So what we've had to do is we've brought down the exhaust fan, the air conditioning vent, and there was a surface mounted light. There's still another light can up here that we haven't done anything with yet. But so we have just a few things we're drop down. We're probably going to change the lighting a little bit. We're going to add the washer and dryer will go back where it was originally, which is right here on this wall. The sink will go right here in this corner. It was originally right here, but we're going to move it over to this corner. And this will give her a lot more cabinets, a lot more functional cabinets here. Probably add some outlets and things like that. So not a super complicated project, but I think one that'll make a huge difference. So that's the laundry room area. And when you come into the mud room now, you see this window. And as I walk up to the window, you can see where there's a little kind of, I guess you could call it a garden, a planting area, for lack of a better term. And you can see a window that actually goes into the garage. We're going to convert that window to a door, and we're going to convert this window to a cased opening. And we're going to add a wall that goes basically right down underneath that existing overhang, straight down. And so now, when we're finished, you will actually come from the garage through this window into an opening that's in this wall, and you'll be able to cut the laundry room completely off from this room and have a kind of a private entrance from the garage to the main house, which is behind me. So I just want to give you a little update on what this little project is. Hope you keep track of it. We'll do some more updates as we go along.